Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari browser disappeared from iPhone home screen. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel and share this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do is open setting. So here's the setting and then scroll down here and find screen time. So here is the screen time, tap on it. So scroll down again and then tap on content and privacy restrictions here. Then here is the content and privacy restrictions here. So tap on allowed apps. So here you can see guys, if the Safari browser is turned off here, turn on the Safari browser here. So after turning on Safari browser, go back, close this. So here you can see guys, here is the Safari browser on my iPhone, back. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.